Alright guys, today's video we're gonna be working on 2001 Bayliner Capri 1950. We're gonna be replacing the the gas line, the main gas line, and the overflow line, which is this one.
I don't know if we're gonna replace both or not. We have an issue that when we fuel it, it just like...
It doesn't take that much, like it take like maybe 5 gallons and it start to overflow. So we did some readings, and some people recommended to change the overflow line, which is this one. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna take both of them off and see what's going on, and we'll walk you step by step. It's just very simple clamps, one clamp here, 2 clamps for the main line right here, and the other side, and we're just gonna loosen these clamps as well. And what we're gonna do, if we decide to change them, we're just gonna take them to our nearest AutoZone around here and get the same fuel lines, same size, and we're gonna add like by a little bit more as length wise, and we just, when we come back here, we just cut it.
There's clamps also on the other end?
Yes. Okay. It's the same idea as clamps. You can do it actually with flathead screwdriver, or that looks like 8mm. Let me try. That's the 8. Yeah, it is 8mm socket. Most of these clamps are 8mm, and also you can do it with flathead screwdriver if you can see it. I rather use the 8mm, so it will give me fast, non-slipping, I would like to call it action. So let's get started. Alright guys, we ended up changing only the vent hose. We went to AutoZone, and we got a 7-foot hose, but we didn't need that much, so we cut some off. We'll just keep it for any project we're gonna use it next. Hopefully that's the reason why when we're fueling it kept stopping and not taking the amount of fuel it should take. Sometimes I know the boat is gonna take 28 gallons and it stops after like 15 or sometimes 8. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go out now and try to fuel it and see how easy the flow is gonna be.
Okay guys, we're at the gas station now, and we'll see if we're gonna fill all the way without issues or not. I think that's the first time it took so far like 18 gallons all straight without like dripping from the vent hose, so I think we're good. So I think we had that vent hose was clogged somehow, and that's why there is no like air coming out. Then like the gas comes out from the vent hose. So I think should be good. So far we're at 20 gallons, so we almost like getting the whole tank filled at one time. And again, since we got that boat, that's the first time it happens. We are at 24 gallons. Looks like the tank was empty. Okay, and it stopped by itself. Yeah, 24.4, almost 24.25 gallons, and it stopped by itself. It didn't drift from here or there, so we should be good. So again, that's guys how you fix if you have the issue when you filling up your gas for your boat and it doesn't fill up all the way continuously, or keep getting like fuel out from the vent quickly. The reason is your vent connection, it's clogged either here or at the tank or the hose itself. So that will be it for today's video guys. I hope you guys can hear me from the loud music. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to our channel, and have a good day and enjoy your summer.